Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. In the context of maintenance proceedings, what happens when the proceedings are stayed but not terminated? Option A. Maintenance liability is terminated immediately. Option B. The liability to pay maintenance continues unless the order is modified. Option C. The liability is suspended for the duration of the stay. And option D. Maintenance payments are reduced. The correct answer is option B. Recently, in Ankit Suman versus State of UP, the court emphasized that staying the proceeding does not amount to the termination of the proceedings. The liability to pay maintenance continues unless the order is specifically set aside, varied, or modified. Question number 2. What happens when a daughter becomes major during maintenance proceedings under Section 125 of CRPC? Option A. Maintenance can still be granted under Section 20 Clause 3 of the 1956 Act. Option B. Maintenance can only be granted after a new application. Option C. Maintenance is denied once she becomes major. And option D. The case is dismissed automatically. The correct answer is option A. Recently, in Anurag Pandey versus State of UP, if a daughter becomes major during the pendency of the application under Section 125 CRPC, maintenance can be allowed to her in the same proceedings by the family court by invoking the provisions of Section 20 Clause 3 of the 1956 Act. Question number 3. Order 1 Rule 10 of CPC deals with option A. Substitution of parties. Option B. Addition of parties. Option C. Striking out of parties. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D. Order 1 Rule 10 of the Civil Procedure Code covers the procedures for striking out, adding or substituting parties in a suit. This rule allows the court to modify the parties involved in a case to ensure that all necessary individuals are included and that the real issues can be fully adjudicated. Question number 4. Article 352 of the Indian Constitution deals with option A. Financial emergency, option B. State emergency, option C. National emergency, and option D. Union's duty to protect states. The correct answer is option C. Article 352 of the Indian Constitution deals with national emergency, which can be proclaimed by the President if the security of India or a part of it is threatened by war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Question number 5. Under the Specific Relief Act 1963, provision relating to partial cancellation of instruments is option A. Section 30, option B. Section 31, option C. Section 32, and option D. Section 33. The correct answer is option C. Under the Specific Relief Act 1963, Section 32 provides for the partial cancellation of instruments, allowing a court to cancel only a portion of a document if it creates different rights or obligations, leaving the valid parts of the instruments to stand. This was the question which was asked in Chhattisgarh Prelims 2023. It's the time for practice question. Under the Indian Limitation Act 1963, period of limitation is not attracted in case of suit against option A. Debtor, option B. Mortgagee, option C. Tenant, and option D. Trustees. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.